How to delete a message for everyone in Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can delete a message for everyone in Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application, and from here you have to navigate to that contact from where you would like to delete the message from. For example, I have this message right here. Now to delete this message, all you have to do is tap and hold on it. After that, once it is selected, at the top right corner there is a delete icon or trash icon. Tap on it. A pop-up box will appear in your interface. There it says, are you sure you want to delete this message? Now to delete this for everyone, make sure to tap on this checkbox that says also delete for the contact. Once it's on, then tap on delete. And with that, now this message is deleted for everyone. So that's how you delete a message for everyone in Telegram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.